Is this how you pictured your life when you set up your manufacturing business? It's reality check. You spend long hours on the shop floor in chaos, assigning tasks, tracking progress, and answering workers' questions. Guys in the back office waste time copying data into Excel trying to decipher handwritten scribbles on manufacturing orders. And you still lack real efficiency metrics. You have to be always present on the shop floor to keep control over the production schedule and dozens of paper orders. But often, one phone call from a client sends your plan straight to the bin. Still, your workers don't know what to do. That's where Prodio comes in handy. Thanks to Prodio, your team sees always updated their production schedule with tasks assigned, and you have full control from any place in the world. Access to documents and operation parameters helps to avoid costly mistakes and reduces the number of questions and complaints. By registering operations, workers automatically create work history and provide efficiency metrics. And everything stays on track.
Yeah.
Optional time clocking solution helps you see who's on shift and who's running late so you can increase productivity. You can manage hundreds of clients' orders with ease, see their real-time progress, and have control over the budget. Online access improves communication between the shop floor and the sales team in the office. Go to www.getprodio.com and start your 14-day free trial now. No credit card needed, no lock-in contract, full technical support. Prodio, your easiest way to efficient manufacturing.